Number 1.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $5,500, well-maintained pickup truck with 155,000 miles on the odometer.
It is equipped with a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering excellent fuel economy while running smoothly and reliably.
The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, both of which are in remarkably good condition for its age. The vehicle comes with a clean title, has recently passed emissions testing, and is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning. It also includes a rear sliding window that provides access to the truck bed, adding convenience and functionality.
The body is free from damage, and the interior shows no signs of significant wear or damage.
Overall, this Ranger has been well cared for and presents as one of the cleanest examples available for its model year.
Number 2.
1991 Ford F-150, price $7,400, solid and reliable classic pickup that has been well maintained and still has plenty of life left in it. It is powered by a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, providing a capable and enjoyable driving experience. The truck has approximately 130,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives great for its age. Finished in a brown exterior with a blue interior, this F-150 offers a distinctive classic look.
The air conditioning blows cold, and the engine shows no oil leaks or known mechanical issues.
According to the owner, the truck starts, runs, and performs very well. The vehicle carries a restored title due to a previous front-end accident, during which the front bumper was replaced.
Despite its history, it remains a dependable truck that is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 3.
2001 Chevrolet S10, price $5,499. This truck is a well-preserved pickup with only 92,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a black exterior and powered by a reliable 2.2-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine, it is paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive for a smooth and dependable driving experience. The truck has passed Pennsylvania state inspection and has been properly serviced. According to its condition, it is completely rust-free, with both the body and undercarriage remaining in near-perfect shape. The previous owner meticulously maintained the vehicle, which is evident in its overall appearance and performance. It runs, drives, and shifts exceptionally well, with no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. This Chevrolet S10 represents a clean and well-cared-for example of a dependable compact pickup truck.
Number 4.
1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,900. Finished in an eye-catching red and white two-tone exterior with a matching red interior, this long-bed truck presents a clean and authentic classic appearance. Powered by its factory-equipped 350 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it starts easily, runs strong, and drives exactly as it should. The truck has only 79,000 original miles and remains equipped with factory air conditioning, adding to its comfort and originality. Its gasoline-powered drivetrain delivers the classic driving experience enthusiasts appreciate, while the long bed configuration offers both practicality and vintage appeal. With its attractive color combination, low original mileage, and solid running condition, this Chevrolet 1500 is an excellent example of a classic American pickup that is ready to be enjoyed on the road.
Number 5.
1992 Mazda B2200, price $7,995, comes with a clean title and shows 95,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in green with a gray interior, this classic pickup is powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. It has been upgraded with a V6 Camaro engine and transmission, providing significantly more power while maintaining reliable drivability. The truck starts easily, runs strong, and drives exactly as it should. Its exterior paint remains in nice condition for its age, complementing the clean classic styling that makes the B2200 a timeless pickup. The interior has been well maintained, showing care and attention throughout its life, while the tires and wheels are in great condition and ready for the road. With its low mileage, desirable automatic transmission, upgraded V6 powertrain, attractive green exterior, comfortable gray interior, and overall well-kept condition.
Number 6.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It combines timeless styling, dependable performance, and original character. Powered by its original 5.0L V8 engine and paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, this truck delivers the smooth driving experience and unmistakable sound that classic Chevrolet enthusiasts appreciate. With 183,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and remains an all-original example of this iconic generation. finished in a clean white exterior complemented by a striking red interior. The Chevrolet 1500 has an eye-catching appearance that reflects the classic truck era. Its original styling has been preserved, giving it an authentic look that stands out from heavily modified examples. The truck runs and drives great, making it suitable for weekend cruising, local shows, or simply enjoying a piece of automotive history on the road.
Number 7.
1999 Mazda B2500, price $4,500, well-maintained pickup truck with 224,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck runs and drives excellently, offering reliable performance for daily use, work, or hauling needs. The vehicle is equipped with cold air conditioning and a fully functioning heater, ensuring comfort in both hot and cold weather conditions. It has had only one previous owner, which reflects a history of consistent ownership and care. Additional features include a sturdy toolbox for extra storage and 4 great tires that are ready for the road. A clean Texas title is in hand, making the transfer process simple and straightforward for the next owner.
Number 8.
1987 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000. The truck is a modified, street-legal pickup powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Finished in black with a silver interior, this gasoline-powered truck was originally built as a drag racer and features an adjustable 4-link rear suspension, tubbed wheel wells, a 4-point roll cage, and a performance-oriented wheel setup. It has been upgraded with numerous new parts, including an Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum radiator with electric fans, water pump, alternator, ignition coil, headers,
and a dual exhaust system.
The interior features 1988 Blazer bucket seats and a center console, while a 13-gallon fuel cell with a working gauge provides fuel storage. Recently inspected and fully street legal, the truck starts easily, runs strong, and shifts smoothly.
Number 9.
1997 Chevrolet S10, price $2,895, comes with a clean title and has been driven approximately 216,000 miles. It is equipped with a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck features a red exterior and a gray interior, giving it a classic and sporty appearance. The vehicle has been repainted and presents very well overall, looking great from a short distance. The engine runs smoothly, the transmission shifts properly, and it drives well with no known mechanical issues. The air conditioning blows ice cold, while the heater functions as it should. It does not overheat and has been fitted with brand new tires, making it ready for daily driving.
Number 10.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, equipped with a reliable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It features a regular cab configuration and has approximately 123,000 miles on the odometer. The truck comes in a red exterior finish with a matching red interior, giving it a distinctive and classic appearance. With over 3 decades of service, the vehicle shows the expected signs of age, including dents, dings, and various cosmetic imperfections throughout the body. While it may not be a showpiece, its most important asset remains its excellent frame condition, which is exceptionally well preserved for a truck of this age. Mechanically, the Ranger runs and drives well, making it a solid option for someone seeking a dependable older pickup.